I want coffee. Big coffee. Now.
Jack, shh, stop. You sound rude. The barista looks angry.
Rude? Why? I am just honest. I want coffee.
In English, being honest can still sound rude. I want is a command. Never say I want to a worker. Instead, use the polite phrase I'd like.
I like. Like, I like football.
No, listen for the D, I'd. It is short for I would.
I'd like.
Yes, I like means you enjoy it generally. I'd like means you want it now.
Ah, I'd like a coffee. I'd like a donut.
Perfect. That sounds soft and polite. Another great phrase is, could I get?
Could I?
Native speakers connect these words. Could I?
Could I?
Could I get a latte?
Could I get a latte?
Yes. Or simpler, can I have?
Can I have a black coffee?
Excellent. You sound like a local.
Okay, Sarah. I ordered, but then they ask me a fast question and I panic.
Ah, they probably asked, for here or to go?
For here to go? What does that mean?
For here means you drink it inside the cafe.
Okay.
To go means takeaway. You take it with you.
Ah, I want it in a paper cup, so to go.
Exactly. If they say have here or takeaway, it is the same thing.
To go, please. Easy.
Now let's practice ordering politely. Order a cappuccino. Use I'd like. Ready? Speak. I'd like a cappuccino. Good. Now try the question. Use could I get? Go. Could I get a coffee? Nice. Finally, the barista asks, for here or to go? You want to leave. What do you say? To go, please. Perfect. Now, final test, Jack. I am the busy barista. Be polite and fast. Action. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, could I get a large coffee with milk, please?
Sure, for here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Here is your coffee. Have a nice day. See, you got your coffee and you made the barista smile.
No more I want.
Question for comments. Coffee or tea? What do you drink in the morning?
Right below. Bye.